Hello and welcome. This is sounds called how to make butter, eggs, and mayonnaise on soft flour tortilla. First thing you gotta do is you squeeze the mayonnaise and make it like a lollipop. Then after that, gotta go let the eggs cook. There. See how good it's gonna cook the eggs. The butter eggs, I call them. Nope, it's not ready yet. The eggs have to cook a little longer, which are called the butter eggs. That's what I call them for making sandwiches or anything else. Even with bagels too, folks. Oh yeah. Down at 3.0. And we let the eggs cook for a little longer. Much better. Oh, it's like that. Ready? One egg. Two eggs. Now what you do is you wrap up the eggs and then put them like this, like that. And here is your butter eggs and mayonnaise on a soft flour tortilla. Enjoy it and thank you for watching.